cocoa powder trick video that's trending on TikTok right now? Let's TikTok about it. Wow. Amazing. It went completely dry. It's incredible. Cocoa powder is hydrophobic. Just a fancy way to say that it does not readily mix with water. So we think that when you dip the spoon of cocoa powder in milk, only the very surface of the cocoa absorbs the milk, forming a layer. And then when you prick it with a toothpick, that layer of milk bursts, revealing the dry cocoa powder underneath. How do you think it works? Let us know in the comments.